week on Three Things Live, we shared the book West with Giraffes by Lynda Rutledge in our quarterly book club, and that got the wheels rolling in our heads.
And it did so in a big way. We debuted our brand new product line called Roam Free, featuring our new Appliqué By Number method, a revolutionary way to get your projects done.
This is the coolest thing ever. The Roam Free line comes with all of the pieces pre-cut and pre-fused.
So excited, just get it done.
Yes. Transfer onto your fabric. Put your pieces in place and set them with your iron. And it's so quick and easy, and it looks amazing.
So you definitely need to watch these shows to learn how this all works and so much more. Just click the links below.
Remember that Three Things Live is where we always have something to make you smile,
Something to learn.
and something to discover. Let's go!